In this video, we will be going over a brand new offering from DeWalt. I know what you're saying. What? A new offering from DeWalt? You heard it right. DeWalt has a new compact bandsaw offering because you asked for it. But our job is to see if they actually delivered on something that is worthy of the atomic name. Compact and powerful is what comes to mind. It's all coming right up after this message from our sponsor, VCG Construction. Head on over to our merch store. You can get hats, hoodies. Well, it's a little warm for hoodies, but you can get some t-shirts and stickers. Link will be down below. So here's the deal with Atomic. It is DeWalt's compact line of tools on their 20-volt MAX platform. Here's the thing. We feel like they did a pretty doggone good job when it comes to their drill driver. It's compact, it's powerful. I mean, look at it compared to their impact driver. Their impact driver, we feel like they didn't do so great. It's not the most compact impact driver. It's not the most powerful impact driver. When you think of something that's atomic, you think like small particles and very powerful. I will say though, it is a reliable impact driver. It does have overcurrent protection. You're not going to smoke this baby up like some of the other impact drivers from DeWalt. With the backstory on the Atomic line and how we feel about it, I feel like we should tell you a little bit more about DeWalt's Atomic Compact Series bandsaw. Product number is DCS377Q1. It's part of their 20-volt MAX brushless platform. You can see here it has an 1 3/4 cut capacity. It includes a 4 amp hour battery, bag, and a charger. Now I'm pretty excited to take a look at this 4 amp hour battery for multiple reasons that I will tell you in a minute once I have it out of the box. I could be highly disappointed. In DeWalt, I guess only time will tell. Of course, it's guaranteed DeWalt tough, and for any reason, it's not manufactured to DeWalt's tough standards. You get a 3-year limited warranty with 1 year free service and a 90-day money-back guarantee. Now, on the batteries, you're just going to get a 3-year limited warranty. As far as the SFPM, which stands for surface feet per minute, you're looking at 0 to 380. So that means it's infinitely variable. Max cut capacity is 1 3/4. Max capacity round is 1 3/4. Blade length 27 inches to 27 1/4. Tool weight 6.6 pounds. Wow. This kit includes the bandsaw, the 20-volt MAX battery, which is DCB 240, which means a lot when it comes to batteries, and that's why I'm letting you know the product number. It has a 1418 TPI blade tracking wrench, as well as a charger and a kit bag. Let's get this thing open. I'm going to give you my initial thoughts. I will let you know that DeWalt did send this over for us to take a look at and give you our thoughts. First out of the box is the bag. Second out of the box is some instructions. We have our blade is in this box. We have our charger. This is DeWalt's multi-volt DCB 115 charger. I really like DeWalt's charger because you can charge not only 20-volt max, but their 12-volt batteries as well. Maybe you'd like to be on their 12-volt platform. Maybe they have a bare tool free battery deal. Boom, you already got the charger. Very innovative. What do you think of DeWalt's charger compared to other tool companies' included chargers? We want to know. Leave it down below. Next out of the box, I'm going to assume that this is a battery. Yo, are they serious? I can't believe it. They did it. This is amazing. This is terrific to see. I am so excited about this battery that they've included. Okay, this is DeWalt's 4 amp hour battery, but being that this is the Atomic platform, this is their compact 4 amp hour battery using powerful 21700 cells. So yes, It is like atomic because it's powerful and compact. That is awesome to see that DeWalt did not cheap out on the batteries. They're giving you something very innovative. Look, they're shipping it with 1 bar of charge. But okay, at least it has a battery level indicator on there. Good on you, DeWalt. Yeah. Then finally, out of the box, we have the bandsaw. I mean, it seems well built. I like that it has a rafter or ladder hook. Seems compact. Has a nice rubber overmold here on the handle. We have a variable speed dial. Let's get that blade installed. All right, so we're gonna undo our clips here, locking tabs. We're gonna open it up. We're gonna take our blade out of our box. We're gonna thread our blade through our bearings. And what we're gonna do now is we're gonna pull on our lever down here. We're gonna slide over our other wheel. We're gonna spin our blade. Okay, our blade's installed. We're gonna lock our tab. This is locked down. We're gonna close our lid. We're gonna pop on a battery. You can see we're gonna press our lock, pull our trigger, and then we can adjust our speed up to 5. You know, bandsaws are really great for cutting standard building materials like unai strut, black, gas pipe, steel tube. We're gonna cut some of those materials right now. Something else that my old tired eyes appreciate is DeWalt included an LED at the throat of the saw so you can see your work. DeWalt has finally done it. They've delivered on something truly atomic in the atomic line. It's compact. It's powerful with the addition of the 21700 cells. Let me know down below, what do you think of the new atomic cordless 20-volt brushless bandsaw? Are you going to be adding it to your lineup? Will it make you more productive? Will it slow you down? We want to know. Leave it down below. With that, I want to say I appreciate each and every one of you for being here. Thanks a lot, everybody. We'll see you all on the next one. Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy. And you're here at the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, and maybe over here.